Hey everyone, Nate from NRG Ops here. Want to talk to you about our second most asked question, and that is going to be our full tuck kit. I've got one laid out here so you can kind of see what everything is. I'll explain them and the goal here. So first we have our injector harness. This is going to basically allow you to extend all four injectors below the manifold through the runners there. We have the MAP sensor, the match sensor, so manifold air temperature sensor, and the evap solenoid. Again, the goal is to take the harness that runs over the top of the intake manifold and tuck it behind for a much cleaner look. We do have OE connectors on here right now, so if you have aftermarket injectors, you will need to utilize your plug and play adapters at this time. But in the future, we don't have a timeline yet, we will be adding connectors on the end here for different types of injectors, so you can watch for that if you need to. The other part that is not shown here is the ground wire, and that is going to be for the guys that have the two-prong style with the bolt through it, little sensor, and the single wire on the manifold. You will get a harness included for that. This is 100% plug and play, no cutting, splicing, soldering needed, anything like that. Makes it super easy to install. We are working with somebody on getting some instructions done. If you want to see what it looks like, Cosmic did a beautiful engine with this kit installed. We do offer the extra option for the MyVec harness. Again, 100% plug and play. Gets that harness that goes over the top of the intake manifold and brings it around the side so that you can tuck that. Some of you already have that. That's why this is optional. And I know some of you may not want the full tuck kit, but they do want this. So we do offer that separately as well. Now, we do have some media online that will kind of show where these go on the Cosmic engine. You can check our Instagram and Facebook for that picture, as well as a little label over each of these. Of course, if you have any questions on this kit, how it works, what's going on with that, or anything, please reach out to us via social media. We do have Facebook, we do have Instagram. This will be posted on our YouTube. I will have links below in the description for our social media. And as always, let us know. Keep an eye out for new products we have coming out. And if you want to see other videos on any of our other products, let us know in the comments, and we'll be glad to take that into consideration. Thanks.